Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope everyone is happy and in good health. Would you believe it's 49 days before Christmas? I know, time flies, and we're almost the end of 2019. Anyways, I am here to share with you another junk journal that I completed, and this is a Christmas journal. This is made of cereal box and fabric, and it has 3 signatures. I embellished the pages, but the journal can still expand, and then I added some fabric on the covers of each signature, and then I have here some charms also. For the cover, this is a Christmas card that I had sewn on the fabric, and then I used cheesecloth on the background. I added some buttons, and then I also added some stickers and a beautiful lace. And then for the closure, these are 2 laces sewn together, and it makes a beautiful strong closure. And this is the spine and the back. I also added a sticker on the back. So this is the cover of the Christmas journal. Let's take a look inside. The inside front cover has a glassine bag with a tag. This is a big tag to journal on. And then the glassine bag is decorated with beautiful stickers. And then for the first page, this is a Santa Claus tag. And then I added this snowflake charm. And then this is a pocket and a Christmas card, craft paper. And then I used the Christmas paper on my collection and added some stickers on the pages. This is a beautiful tag. Another Christmas card. I love the paper pad here, and I will put on the description below the name of the paper pad that I used here. This is a pocket and a guest check, and on the back is a lined paper. And then I coffee stained some paper also. More stickers. I really love this paper pad. And then this is the middle of the signature, and added this charm, star charm, and these are tags. And then I made some tags, added flowers and beautiful ribbons. And another guest check here. And more stickers. This is a belly band and a collage, and it says, "Peace in every heart, joy to all the world." And then for the charm, I just added a button. And so that's the end of the signature. Next signature, I have another beautiful charm here. More stickers and coffee stained paper. And this is a paper bag. And Santa Claus sticker. And more inserts. Some of the pages are decorated with stamps. And then this is another pocket. And this is from a Christmas card. May this Christmas fill you with all the joy and wonder of the season. Another belly band. And I love these images. And there's a snowman sticker here. More stickers. Thinking of you at Christmas stamp. And then this is just a fabric that I added. And some more tags here. And then I had here another stamp with loving wishes for a bright and beautiful season. A Christmas stamp, Santa Claus stamp. And this is an envelope. It had another stamp here. And inside are some coupons. More Santa Claus stickers. Beautiful bear with a scarf and another Santa Claus tag. And more images of Santa Claus. This is also from a card. Lined paper on the back. More coffee stained paper. And these are coupons. More journaling tags. And so this is the paper bag, and inside I just put here some pages of an old notebook. And then for the charm, I added a button. And that's the end of the signature. And this is the last signature. And this is a wreath charm. A tag that says thankful. More tags here. This is the middle of the signature, and I just made a pocket and then added this doilies. So we can use the paper doily to decorate the pages. Another pocket and tag here. More stamps. This is a beautiful image of baby Jesus and Mother Mary. and another image of baby Jesus and Mother Mary, and baby Jesus and Mother Mary stamp. And this is another tag. And just a bag here, and inside are more tags here. I use a stamp also, and a button charm. And this is the end of the last signature. And then for the inside back cover, this is a fabric that you can flip, and another tag here. I decorated the inside cover with some doily and a pocket. So this is the Christmas journal. The base of the cover is a beautiful tablecloth. So the covers are soft and very sturdy. And I really enjoyed completing this journal. I hope you like it. This will be listed in my Etsy shop, neldascrafts. And I have 3 more journals that I have almost completed, and I will show on the next videos. So I hope that you can visit my shop, and I hope if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And also, if you like this video, please hit like. Again, thanks so much everyone for watching this video. I do appreciate it. And I hope to see you soon. Let's all have a beautiful, blessed day. God bless you. Bye now.